In this video, I will show you how to fix Bose Soundbar no sound from TV problem. So no audio from product in Bose Soundbar is actually quite popular for a lot of users. And to be able to determine if sound can be heard from other sources, you can use the Bose remote control on the Bose Music app and then select another source such as a streaming music service or Bluetooth device. If you've set up a voice assistant, try asking the assistant for tomorrow's weather. Now, the second thing you need to do is to be sure that the system is connected properly. The connection may have come loose or may be incorrect. Third thing you need to do, if connected via HDMI, is to look for related audio settings in the menu of the connected device. After that, in the TV menu, try setting the sound output format to PCM. So, go to the settings menu of the TV and look for audio or sound setting, and then look for an option to select an audio format, which might include options like AAC, Dolby, PCM, etc. Try selecting PCM as the audio format. After that, you'll need to go ahead and check the volume level of Bose system. Now, after you do that, check the HDMI CEC setting of your product. And if that still doesn't work, you can go ahead and reboot the connected devices. You can also reset the HDMI connection by resetting both devices and the cables connected between them. So to do that, you'll need to turn off the Bose system, the source device, and the TV. Unplug the Bose system, the source device, and the TV. Now, after that, you'll need to disconnect the two HDMI cables or both ends and reset them, ensuring secure connections. And then reconnect the source device, the TV, and the Bose system to power. Turn on the TV and the source device, and once the TV and the source device have finished powering up, turn on the Bose system. So if that doesn't work as well, you can go ahead and reset your product, and the last option that you have is to replace the HDMI cable with an optical cable. So that's basically how you can fix Bose Soundbar no sound from TV problem. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. And also don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.